Hey there! By default, VS Code automatically updates all the extensions. But if you're running the latest VS Code version, you can now specify which extensions you want to be updated automatically. Let's see how. Press Ctrl and comma to open the settings. Then search for extensions, auto update, and here is the setting, extensions, auto update. And here we have 4 options. All extensions means that updates are downloaded and installed automatically unless these updates are set to be ignored. Only enabled extensions means that updates are downloaded and installed automatically only for those extensions that are enabled. So disabled extensions won't be updated. And only selected extensions means that updates are downloaded and installed only for selected extensions. That means you can go to an extension, right click on it, and then select auto update or update all from publisher to update all the extensions from a certain publisher. And the last option is none, which means none of your extensions will get auto updated. But if you go to an extension and right click on it, you can see that you still have the options to auto update and auto update all from publisher. If you select either of these 2 options, then you're going to see that the setting also changed to only selected extensions. Alright, hope this video helps you better manage your extensions updates, and if you enjoyed it, go check out my VS Code playlist for more tutorials. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.